Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. Looky what finally made it to the US, the full cab kit for the Uforce. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it looks and how it functions. So let's start right off. Obviously you're going to replace your nets and the shoulder bar, as you see there on the floor. You do have a catch there to keep the door from flipping open. Both the back part of the window and the front part of the window open up to get you some airflow inside the cab. You can prop that open. Gives you a nice, good kind of wing window effect to get you some air inside the cab. The back window can actually fold all the way open and secure against this piece right here. That makes it nice, getting you, again, more airflow inside the cab. Nice storage pocket down there in the door. Great grab handle. And it seals up really nice. Let's check it out. So from the inside, looks awesome. How about that front windshield? This is an automotive glass windshield, so it's not going to scratch like a Lexan or polycarbonate. You do have the ability to get you some airflow there, open and shut, both in front of the driver and the passenger. Seals up nice and tight on there as well. Fits down in that channel great. And the back window. Also automotive glass. And there's that first look for you. What do you think? 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call or shoot us a text at that number. We'll be happy to get you taken care of. Everything CF Moto, we got you. Have a great day, everybody.